Hello, I am Eri, and today we're going to see a PSU from Antec. It has been quite some time till the last Antec review, so it was a really nice surprise to see something new from this company. The revamped Earthwatts Gold Pro line consists of 3 members, which use Seasonic's Focus platform. Today, we will take a look at the strongest member of the family with 750 watt capacity. This unit features cybernetics ETA-A and 80+ gold efficiency, while its noise output is rated as LAMBDA-A- in the cybernetic scale. It has a semi-modular cable design with 3 fixed cables, and it costs around $90. The provided warranty is quite long at 7 years. Let's open the box and see what's inside. First come the cables. Power cord, and the rest are the ribbons. We've got the manual instructions and the warranty. And let's go to the PSU itself. So, we see the cables here. We have 3 fixed cables. One is a sleeved one and the rest are ribbon cables. This is quite compact, heavy. We see the fan here. Only one button, the power and off button, and the chassis has a nice finish. The chassis is semi-matte. Here we have the specification of the PSU, the serial number, and some labels like the C, which is for the Europe, and the FC, which is for US. We see the 80+ gold, but no cybernetics. So this is it. Thank you for watching.